Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check notifications on the Amazon app. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android. Once you're in, look at the bottom center of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a person with a red dot. Tap on it to open your account profile. At the top right corner, tap the bell icon. This is where you can view all your Amazon notifications. It will show order updates, deliveries, and items that are arriving soon. You may also see recommendations, such as trending items or new styles. You can scroll through and check each notification for updates. If you are not receiving notifications in the app or want to get them directly on your phone, you can adjust your settings. Head to your phone's settings and find the Notifications section. Scroll down to find the Amazon app and make sure notifications are turned on. You can enable all options so you'll receive alerts about deliveries, promotions, and account activity directly to your phone. This way, you won't have to check the app constantly. Your phone will notify you when something important happens, like a package being delivered. So that's basically how you can check notifications on the Amazon app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.